Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Coach coming at you with Untouchable Customs. And today's going to be a short video, but dropping the seats off today. Martin is coming to pick them up so he can have the seat covers for the B done, have that checked off the list. But that's what we're working on today, and I'll be back. So yeah, just a small recap. About a month or so ago, took the seat covers off the back and painted the springs, and then I took the seat tracks off the bottom of the front bucket seats, and I painted the bottom half of it. The top half should be in decent shape, but yeah, there it is. And here is the rear seat cover that I got from John Gaddy probably about 3 years ago. Okay, and then I was supposed to get these August 22nd from Legendary, the front bucket seats covers, and they came a couple of months early. So there you see the seat covers, and the seat backs are right here, I believe. Yep, these are the seat backs to go on the back of the seats. So hopefully in a few days, Martin will be dropping them back off, and they will be done, and they won't look like this anymore. Even though that one isn't bad, when you sit on it, it actually, some of the material cracks. So those are not the original seats to go to this car. From my research, it looks like they were out of a 69 Plymouth GTX, or maybe even a Coronet RT, I'm not sure, but I know for sure, for a fact, that this pattern came in the 69 Plymouth GTX. So, but yeah, hopefully in a couple days, or maybe even a week at the latest, we'll have some footage on new seat covers. Haven't really made many videos lately, but you notice restoration progress in any car is a slow process, because you're always waiting on other people, other shops, and of course, you know, it takes money. So this is Coach coming at you, and I'll be back. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn that notification bell on so you know when I post a new video, you will be alerted. Holla at you.